Install a quick and efficient sales catalog in a click. Using this template, you can quickly build public pages of catalogs for all your products. Not only this, the Stripe integration can allow your customers to directly order from the catalog. Or using a WhatsApp integration, you can capture customer inquiries directly from your business accounts. You can easily extend this app by integrating with your ERP tool and manage the inventory of your products dynamically. Like always, this can connect to a variety of databases from our extensive connectors list. To install this ready template, visit DronaHQ.com today.